Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we color and have fun every single day. Today, we're coloring very colorful. Rainbow, are you ready? Let's do this together. First, grab your favorite colors. Let's start with the sketching. You can choose any color you love. There are no rules in art. Tell me which is your favorite rainbow. Whoa, that looks so good. You're doing a great job. Art, now let's color the next part of our rainbow. Let's add some fun colors. Make it bright, bold, and full of life. Want to add some extra things around it? Go for it. Use your imagination. This is your masterpiece. Make it awesome. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Just have fun and be creative. You're doing... Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. Tell me in the comments, what cartoon character or superhero should we color next? I can't wait to hear your ideas. Wow, your rainbow looks fantastic. I'm super proud of you, little artist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ANHAD Kids Art for more fun, colorful videos just like this one. And hit that bell icon so you never miss out. See you next time, awesome kids. Keep coloring, keep smiling. Bye-bye.